So guys, you enjoyed the unboxing of the Fosse Audio IM4 in-ear monitors, open back IEMs, right? So let's go for the next one. This is not an unboxing. This is going to be just my review, and I have used this for a long time. Let's go step by step how my journey with IEMs started uh, in 2017, how it started, and that's very interesting. Actually, I was not into audio, means I was not listening to music or anything, and it so happened that I was purchasing things on eBay, and just came across an IEM. That time, yes, it was an IEM. It was a KZ IEM because in 2017 and 18, KZs were doing it very cheap and cost effective. So I I saw a lot of IEMs on sale on eBay, and so I did my research, and I was interested to listen to the sound, what it is, because till then the music for me was listening in car. Whenever any songs were played on the car radio or cassettes in the car, uh, that was me and my music, right? It was not anything special. It was just some background noise, just to keep you entertained when you're driving the car or in your car, right? uh, in 2005 I stopped my connection with music totally, because I was busy after that, and uh, the trend was turning to MP3s, and collecting MP3s was not such a great thrill like collecting CDs and cassettes. So I had some cassettes and some CDs, but nothing like, I mean, I was having MP3s of my favorite songs, but I was not into music as much. The trend of collecting music had almost died by then. So uh, in 2017, as I said, after I did my research, I came to know that the best choice to purchase was the KZ AS10, and it was having the 5 balanced armature drivers, no dynamic driver, nothing else. I was wondering how the sound will be, and after I purchased it, I forgot about it, because in India it takes about a month for the things to arrive from China. It was purchased from China, and after a month, about, it came to me. I didn't even know it has come to me, because it came in the mail and I had not checked the mailbox. And I was collecting a lot of watch straps. I have watches, so now it's protect, so because I'm outside. So uh, yeah, so I was collecting watch straps, leather watch straps. They are also coming from China, and silicone and rubber for different watches, and even the metal ones. And suddenly I found that package. Now when I opened it, I thought it must be something to do with watches, but no, it was the KZ IEM, and I listened to it. After I listened to that sound, I was actually my I was shocked. I did not realize that world has moved on so much. I actually did not stop listening to music after that. Whatever music I had on MP3s, then I started collecting music again. Uh, yeah, so that was my start of my journey of collecting IEMs. So it was, the first one was the KZ AS10. I still have it, and it is still working perfectly fine. In fact, I call it the detail king. It has such high details. It doesn't have a dynamic driver, so if you compare it with any other IEM, it doesn't have any kind of a good bass. It is having below average bass, but everything else is really high quality. Yeah, sound stage, no, it doesn't have a great sound stage. Imaging, yes, it has got imaging, above average imaging. Details, yes, very high quality details. You can say in the top 3 when it comes to details in my collection of IEMs. In the top 3 it is still there, and it was number 1 for a very long time. Now if you ask me which is the number 1 in details, hard to say. There are few, and I'll tell you when the time comes. But it is a very good IEM even today. I listen to it still, but if I crave for some bass, because bass is a part of frequency which you need, right? So if you need bass, then it doesn't have any bass. It's best to have 1 dynamic or 2 dynamic drivers in your IEM to get the adequate good quality bass, not just quantity of bass but quality of bass, and sub bass of course. But this thing doesn't have any bass, and sub bass is completely missing, you can say. Even if you tune it, the tuning does not repair the bass frequencies. It just doesn't take the bass tuning properly. So, but everything else is very nice. For if you're playing games with it, detail is very high, as I said. Imaging is good. So yeah, footsteps, good for footsteps. If you're playing any other car game, you can hear your opponents round the corner even if you don't see them first. You can hear the wheels, you can hear if you're playing World of Tanks, then you can hear the tanks breaking the lampposts and the guardrails and balusters and whatnot, and you can hear them coming. So if you're playing any game like CSGO or something like that, then you can hear the empty cartridges falling. If you're hearing clearly, you can hear the guns ejecting shells falling. You can hear the footsteps, doors closing. And if you're playing open world games, then you can hear creatures, you can hear all the birds, you can hear if any creature is nearby and the birds fly off, so you can detect from that yes, something is about to happen. So yes, it's a very good IEM. You should try it if you get it, but I don't think you get this anymore. Unfortunately, you don't get this IEM. It's an old IEM, but old is gold, they say, right? So this is a good one, and it is, I think it will be there with me for quite some time. There's another IEM which is similar to it. It is the KZ AS10. If you see the KZ AS10, it's similar to the AS10, but let's not talk about it in this video because we are talking about the AS10, and that's about it. Stay tuned for more. I want to share my music journey. It started with IEMs, and then I've collected IEMs, headphones, AV receivers, amplifiers, DACs, different kind of DACs, portable DACs and desktop DACs, and different kinds of wires also. Sometimes they enhance your sound. They do. It's not just a placebo. You can really feel the sound difference. I mean it. If you do a blind test also, you will come to know that there is some enhancement in sound, and you will know that some part of the music path has been changed, as in It could be the DAC, it could be the cable, it could be the amplifier. Something has been changed, so the sound is enhanced. But you have to find out what has been changed. You can change one by one each of them and then see what does the sound change. Does it improve? And that's how you come to know. It's not just, don't buy just the high end and then maybe now the sound will improve. You check, go step by step, and of course the IEMs are very important, or the headphones are very important, because finally the sound comes through that into your ear. Think of it as a river. You don't make the river thin in between. It should flow. The width should be maintained. Don't make it bottleneck in some places by using a cheap DAC or a cheap amplifier. If it is having a good flow, then the sound will come the way it is maintained, the way it should arrive in your ear, the way the person who recorded the sound wants, the way it was intended to be heard. So do that and stay tuned for more videos. Right now I'm out, not at home, as you can see, but I just wanted to share this with you. And that is my first IEM. I'll share with you the next IEM. I'll go in line so you'll know how my progress of my IEMs went, from where it started and where it went. And I'll give the ratings somewhere over here of the AS10, because I want to give you the rating. So, and that is the technical details, technical score. It's not the musical score. Musical wise, this is average. Now I call it average, but for the first, as a first IEM, it was very musical to me. But then your taste improves. You know what is more musical and what is not. So as I said, that IM4, the video before this, the Fosse audio, that is very musical, and you won't want to remove it from your ear. That's a very nice IEM. This one is average. You say musical wise, you say it's average, not bad. So stay tuned for more such videos, and I'll come back with my next story. Till then, hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to this channel, and as always, enjoy and have a nice day. Please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video and tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. Thanks. See you soon. Thanks.